Meet the Max and his dream bike. Some people in this world can easily get what they desire. They can buy new things, replace the old ones, and discard what they no longer need without a second thought. But have you ever wondered about those who must work tirelessly to fulfill even the smallest of dreams? Today, we bring you the story of Max. Max lives in a small village and works as a school teacher. Every day, he has to walk through narrow paths of the village to reach the bus stop far away. His school is located in another town, and public transport is his only means to commute. Often, the bus arrives late, leaving him anxious, and on some days, it does not show up at all. Max has always dreamed of owning a bike. He imagines the freedom of riding to school without relying on unpredictable buses. However, his modest salary barely covers his household expenses. Buying a bike seems impossible. Max's routine was simple yet exhausting. Every morning, he woke up early, walked long distances to catch the bus, and spent hours teaching at school. By the time he returned home, he was already too tired to think of anything else. Yet, he kept his dream alive. One evening, while scrolling through his phone, Max stumbled upon a video. It was a motorcycle restoration tutorial. In the video, a man transformed an old, broken motorcycle into a stunning ride. Max watched in awe. He thought to himself, if he can do it, why can't I? This idea sparked a new hope in Max's heart. He decided to take a chance and restore a bike himself. Although he had no prior experience and no tools, his determination was stronger than his doubts. The next weekend, Max visited a local scrapyard. There, he found an old scooter in a terrible state. Its parts were scattered, the body was rusted, and it looked far from usable. But Max saw potential in it. He asked the owner about the price. After some negotiation, he managed to buy it at an affordable cost. With the help of a borrowed wheelbarrow, he brought the broken pieces home. Max set up a small workspace in the corner of his house. He had no tools or expertise, just his willpower and the few savings he had left. At first, he felt overwhelmed by the sheer amount of work needed. The scooter was more than just damaged, it was almost beyond repair. Night after night, Max worked tirelessly. By day, he was a teacher, and by night, he was a restorer. He watched countless videos, learning how to clean rusted parts, fix broken components, and assemble a bike. The internet became his guide, and each video gave him the confidence to keep going. The first challenge was cleaning the rust. Max used homemade solutions and a borrowed grinder to scrub away the years of corrosion. It was hard work, and his hands often ached, but he didn't give up. Slowly, the scooter started showing signs of life. Next came the engine. Max knew little about mechanics, but he was determined to make it work. He spent hours reading about engines, watching tutorials, and asking for advice from local mechanics. Piece by piece, he reassembled the engine, testing it multiple times until it finally roared to life. The sound of the engine running for the first time filled him with joy. But the challenges didn't stop there. Max needed tools, paint, and spare parts, all of which were expensive. He decided to sell some of his old belongings to fund the restoration. Every penny he earned went into the project. Despite the financial strain, Max found happiness in every small step of progress. The final step was painting and assembling the scooter. Max wanted it to look like a brand new bike. He chose a vibrant white color and spent days carefully painting each part. The once rusted body now shone brightly. After weeks of hard work, Max finally completed his project. The broken scooter had transformed into a beautiful, fully functional bike. For the first time, Max felt the satisfaction of achieving something entirely on his own. The next morning, Max rode his bike to school. The villagers watched in awe as he passed by, and his students cheered for him. His dream had come true, not because of luck, but because of his determination and perseverance. Do you also have a dream that feels impossible to achieve? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Maybe we or someone from our YouTube family can give you the advice or encouragement you need.